So we're in the back of a submarine, and this is the rear torpedo room. So this submarine would fire torpedoes from both the back and the front, and this is the back torpedo room. So basically, I'm just gonna take you on a guided tour. It's probably gonna be like 3 minutes of me talking about something that I am totally unfamiliar with. I do not claim to know anything or everything. Everything I'm gonna say, ouch, is probably things that I sorta figured out on my own or through conversation. I actually met two Scotsmen, and they too were trying to figure out what stuff were. This is actually somebody's office. It's really small in there, so in here you will find somebody taking care of the ship's accounts payables. I'm not sure what this part is. It looks like to me like it's a part of the engine room. This is the engine room. And as you can tell, everything here is quite cramped. Ugh. Super tight. And so there's two parts to the engine room. The forward engine room and the one at the back, obviously. These are the engines. I don't know how many valves there are, but they must be diesel powered. Yeah, this is the front engine room. We just walked through the rear one. So hopefully, oh dear. Hopefully I don't sink the ship by accident. These are the living quarters. See some sinks in here. I think that's, I don't know what that is. I have no idea. I thought it was a washing machine. These are living quarters. Hi. Hi. Thank you. Beds. I think this ship has a crew of about 60 to 70 people, and it's really tight. This is my favorite part of the room, the dining room. Checkerboard, the galley. It's pretty neat, and I've always liked ship food or airplane food or food, any kind of food for that matter. So yeah, this is the navigation room. You'll find maps, and if you look at the maps, you can figure out that this submarine has been on tour in Asia and fought the Japanese.
Back up a little bit, maybe.
Yeah, the letters, it's hard for the red quill, it's hard to get the
Numbers?
or yeah, the numbers even the islands.
The periscope is up there. I think that's the bridge. And so everything's in red light because in red light you can see better in the dark. With red light, yep. Red or green, I can't remember. Maybe both. Yeah, that's how tiny that spot is. But I'm pretty good at going through them. And the next compartment, I think, are more living quarters, an office maybe. Wow, this video is ending up pretty long.
At least they made that. 20% submarine stock. Not very good. 1 and 5 didn't make it.
So this is what the inside of a submarine looks like.
My dad built a submarine. Think I can build one of these?
It looks kind
What do you mean,
of
no?
cozy.
It's a, look how much stuff there is in it.
Well, number one. You wouldn't
And
have this big.
submarine is kind of listing from side to side.
This big.
You kind of get used to it after a while. And this is the forward torpedo room.
Very good. Now, where are you guys from?
24 torpedoes on this ship.
Tell me where from.
Fresno.
Oh, down by Fresno. Alright, you went everywhere and saw
Yeah.
everything now, huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
All
Alright,
right.
watch out now, boy. He climbs up. Here, come on down.
Carissa.
Where's the wheel?
Thank you.
We lost our train.
We already lost one. One's already lost at sea. We already lost one.
There he is, right there.
Come on in.
Come on back down here.
Hey, guy. Be careful. Ugh. And here we are at the top of the submarine. Oh, there are the two Scotsmen. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the ship listing, but it is. It's a nice gun. I think there's an anti-aircraft gun at the back of the ship. Alcatraz over there, shrouded in clouds. Hang on, let me. Sorry about that. Yeah, this must be where the bridge was. I think it's off access to all of us anyway. There is that anti-aircraft gun. Pretty neat ship, I would say. USS Pampanito. Yep. So that's it. See ya.